Kabila
must go.
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 Tshisekedi
President.
Tshisekedi
President.
Tshisekedi
President.
Tshisekedi
President.
Kabila
Must go.
Kabila
Must go.
Tshisekedi
President.
Tshisekedi
President.
Kabila
Must go.
Kabila
Must go.
Kabila
Must go.
Tshisekedi
President.
Tshisekedi
President.
Tshisekedi
President.
Kabila
Must go.
Kabila
Must go. Must go.
Ovanda Tolela Congo
Hey.
Ovanda
Hey.
Tolela Congo
Hey.
Ovanda Tolela Congo Ovanda
Hey.
Tolela Congo Ovanda
Oh.
Tolela Congo Ovanda Tolela Congo Kabila Tovandi na ye Kanangwa Tovandi na ye
Anataka kupiga filimbi.
Mama na ye
Anataka kupiga filimbi.
Mama na ye
Shika ndio kupiga filimbi.
Madengo na ye Kanangwa Tovandi na ye
Iko na record ingiza tu mkono wako.
Tovandi na ye Baba na ye Mama na ye Mama na ye Zoka za aronde Kabila Tovandi na ye Kabila Tovandi na ye Baba na ye Mama na ye Madengo na ye Kabila Tovandi na ye Kanangwa Tovandi na ye Oh Baba na ye Mama na ye Mama na ye Koimulunda Tovandi na ye Koimulunda Tovandi na ye Baba na yo Mama na yo Mama na yo Koimulunda Tovandi na ye Koimulunda Tovandi na ye Il faut vraiment voir la justice. Un jour, il sera traduit à justice. Donc, we are here protesting against the elections which was held in Congo, in the Republic Democratic of the Congo. We have the Honda elections, and they stole the wills of the people. People's voice was jeopardized, and we are sending a very strong message to government of Congo and all over the world and the President of Congo to make sure that Kabila must put power. He doesn't need to be in power anymore. Congo has an elected president, and we know him very well. His name is called what? So we know very well that Congo has been very in trouble for a long time. It has gone through very hard times, and we have to make sure that democracy in Congo prevails. We are asking American people, the friend of Africa, Obama president, and all American people to support Congo. Just because Congo cannot go through that all the time. And our voice is very deep. Our voice is very deep, and we are so much concerned about that our country. Boise is considered to be a very small village in America, a very small town. But Boise is not a town. We are here. We are telling you that Kabila must go. Kabila must leave power. And our voice, regardless of what, should be heard in Congo. We are not protesting for anything. We are just protesting just because justice is not developed in Congo. Justice is not done in Congo. And we need that justice. Women are being raped. Killings is happening every day. People are not sleeping. The soldiers, Kabila militia, is killing people every single day. And today we are saying, no, Kabila must go. Kabila
Must go.
Kabila
Must go.
Kabila
Must go.
Kabila
Must go.
Kabila must go. Kabila must go. Kabila must go. Tshisekedi. Tshisekedi.
President.
Tshisekedi.
President.
Tshisekedi.
President.
Tshisekedi.
President.
Kabila.
Must go.
Kabila.
Must go.
Kabila.
Must go.
Tshisekedi. Kabila.
Must go.
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 Tshisekedi.
President.
DRC Congo. DRC
Congo.
DRC
Congo.
DRC
Congo.
DRC
Congo.
DRC
Congo.
DRC
Congo.
Kabila.
Must go.
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 Tshisekedi.
President.
Tshisekedi.
President.
Tshisekedi.
President.
Kabila.
Must go.
Kabila.
Must go.
Tshisekedi. Kabila.
Must go.
Tshisekedi.
President.
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 DRC.
Congo.
DRC.
Congo.
DRC.
Congo.
DRC.
Congo.
DRC.
Congo.
DRC.
Congo.
Kabila.
Must go.
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 Tshisekedi. 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 Kabila. 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 Tshisekedi. Tshisekedi. DRC. 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 DRC.
Shaka kuangusha.
DRC. Kabila.
Must go.
Kabila.
Must go. Go go.
Kabila.
Must go.
Tshisekedi.
President.
Tshisekedi. 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 Kabila. 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 Tshisekedi. Goimulunda. Goimulunda. Kalamunda. Goimulunda. Kolabo. Goimulunda. 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 Boshabe. 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 Goimulunda. 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 Tshisekedi. Tshisekedi.
President.
Tshisekedi. DRC. DRC.
Congo.
DRC. DRC. What do you want? Justice. What do you want?
Justice.
Just you want. Justice. What do you want? 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 What do you want? Justice. 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 Kabila. 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 Tshisekedi. 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 Kabila. 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 Tshisekedi. 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 Justice. Congo. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. Tshisekedi. Tshisekedi. Kabila. 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 Goimulunda. Kolabo. Goimulunda. 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 Boshabe. 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 Kolabo. Boshabe. Boshabe. Assassin. Kabila. 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 Tshisekedi. 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 Kabila. 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 Kabila,
Moscow,
Kabila,
Moscow,
Kabila,
Moscow,
Tshisekedi,
Président,
Tshisekedi,
Président,
Tshisekedi,
Président,
Tshisekedi,
Président,
Tshisekedi.
Président.
Ok, je voudrais juste vous dire que c'est avec vraiment un grand plaisir que nous sommes ici ce soir. Nous nous sommes retrouvés ici ce soir parce que nous avons vraiment un très grand regret de la part de Kabila, qui n'est pas un fils du pays, qui tue les mamans, qui viole. Il est en train de menacer le peuple congolais. Il doit quitter le Congo. And I would like to address this message to American people and all friends of Congo that Kabila has been killing people. He has been over 10 years in the country and nothing is going forward. People have been women have been raped in Congo. He's killing innocent people and people are under siege and there are no ways they can express themselves. Us, we, people of Boise, Idaho, we decided to wake up and to voice up to make sure that our voice is heard. No matter where we are, no matter how far we are, we have to be heard in Congo. Congo is a very rich country, but its people have been living in a very, very poor poverty just because of such kind of president like Kabila. And we don't want him. The message is very clear. So you don't have really to be agitated about this. This is about the country. And the country comes first. Congo comes first. Kabila must go. 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 What do you want? Justice. 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 Kabila must go. Kabila must go. Kabila must go. Kabila must go. Kabila assassin. Kabila assassin. Kabila assassin. Kabila assassin. Kabila assassin. Kabila assassin. Kabila is a killer. 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 What do you want? Justice. What do you want? Justice.
Humanitarian problems like insecurity, sexual abuses and violence, mineral trafficking. All things are happening throughout the whole country, but even more in the eastern part. This is true.
Journaliste réputé de Boise. Oui, si bien intoxiqué, vaccin à Canada. Richard. Richard Mukuna. Désolé. À l'ouest des États-Unis. Foi kota na Congo number 1. Na wapi kula na kabla kama ngaba pie Daniel na loja na mbujibaye basi la risha mais ya mi filma kite na ndio iko mi filma mo kwa mona yo ba master
non ngaka sanja kwa mona yeye
akomona yeye ba master chinku
ngaka sanja kwa sanja
ne ba mona akomi kombata
wana olia isu sankala
Yo connais malgré les partis ou bien les présidents